In this video, we're going to configure an access port for both data and voice. And the reason we do that is because we have a voice over IP phone that's connected to the switch, and then downstream of the IP phone we have a PC. So it reduces cabling at the user's desk. So first we'll connect PC3 Fast Ethernet 0 to the IP phone. It has two ports in the back of the IP phone, so we want to connect the computer to the PC port, and then we will use a crossover cable to connect the switch port on the IP phone to the switch port on the switch, Fast Ethernet 03. So if we go into Fast Ethernet, if we go into the switch, we can go into Show Run. You can see Fast Ethernet 03 has nothing configured on it already, and we want to configure an access port and a voice port on interface Fast Ethernet 03. First thing we need to do is tell it switch port mode is going to be access, switch port access VLAN 200, and we're using, this is our data VLAN 200. The reason that we're using that is because our other two PCs are already configured on VLAN 200 on the switch. As you can see here, Fast Ethernet 01 is on 200 and 2 is on 200. So we're going to put this PC on VLAN 200, data VLAN 200 as well. And then we want the phone to operate on VLAN 250, so that's switch port voice. You have a couple of options, access and voice among other things, but this one, for the voice VLAN, we want VLAN 250. Okay, so then if you show our running config again, you can see VLAN 200 is our data VLAN and VLAN 250 is our voice VLAN. So any traffic coming in for the voice will come across 250 and hit the IP phone, and any traffic destined for the PC will come across VLAN 200. So let's test it out. We go into PC0, see if we can ping 10.2.1.6, which is PC3 down here, and see if our data VLAN is working. And it is. So quick ARP, and then you can see it responds. 10.2.1.6 responds across our data VLAN, VLAN 200. And that's how you configure both voice and data VLANs on a switch port.